Hello everyone, my name is Dilip Upadhyay and today in this video I would like to share some common adjectives like some common words. These words you can use in writing as well as speaking. So let's start. First word is excellent. The synonym of the excellent is world class, state of the art and outstanding. डेफिनेशन इनकी आपको एग्जाम्पल से समझ में आ जाएगा. तो एक्सीलेंट जो वर्ल्ड क्लास का जो फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है वो है वर्ल्ड क्लास म्यूजियम. लाइक जो चीज़ आपके लिए बिल्कुल बेस्ट है उसके लिए आप यूज़ करोगे वर्ल्ड क्लास. सेकेंड इज स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट. द सिस्टम वॉज द स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट. लाइक सिस्टम वॉज न्यू एंड सिस्टम वॉज वेरी गुड एट द प्रेजेंट टाइम. दैट्स वाई द सिस्टम वॉज स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट. Outstanding, extremely good or excellent, an outstanding achievement, an outstanding success, right? When you have to define that the thing was very nice, then you have to use outstanding. Second is interesting. Interesting का जो synonym है वो है compelling, and second is fascinating. Compelling in the sense that is catching your attention, right? So interesting or exciting that it holds your attention. Example है compelling का, her latest book makes compelling reading. Second is fascinating, extremely interesting or attractive. The exhibition tells the fascinating story of the steam age. Third is very important, new. New का जो synonym है वो है modern, up to date and fresh. Modern. Stress is a major problem of modern life. Okay. Modern life like if in of today's life. New, up to date equipment. We are keeping up to date with the latest developments, or I can say that I am up to date. मतलब like I am changing myself on the daily basis. I am learning some new skills, so that's why I can use I am up to date. Fresh. I think it's time we tried a fresh approach. Fresh in the sense like a latest approach, a very fresh approach you have tried, a new thing you have tried. So जो new के जो synonym है वो है first है modern, up to date and the fresh. Old like outdated, no longer useful because of being old fashioned. Old का जो synonym है वो है outdated. अब उसका कोई यूज़ नहीं है क्योंकि वो चीज़ पुरानी हो चुकी है. It is an outdated and inefficient system. मतलब एक पुराना सिस्टम हो चुका है, ओल्ड सिस्टम हो चुका है. That's why the synonym of old is outdated, right? अब ओल्ड का ही सिनोनिम है ओल्ड फैशन्ड, राइट? ओल्ड फैशन्ड, नॉट मॉडर्न, नो लॉन्गर फैशनेबल. ओल्ड फैशन्ड क्लोथ्स, स्टाइल, मेथड्स, इक्विपमेंट्स. ईजी और सिंपल. ईजी लाइक स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, सिंपल लाइक अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड. ईजी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड, ईजी टू डू और अंडरस्टैंड, नॉट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. जो चीज़ बिल्कुल आसान हो उसको ईजिली किया जा सकता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. एंड ईजी ए स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड प्रोसेस, लाइक अ वेरी ईजी प्रोसेस आई कैन सी दैट. अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड, जैसे एक वर्ड है हमारे पास जिसको हम बोलते हैं कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड का मतलब होता है लाइक पजलिंग एंड डिफिकल्ट, राइट, एंड कंफ्यूज्ड स्टेटमेंट आई कैन सी दैट. सो सिंपल, अनकॉम्प्लिकेटेड, सिंपल विदाउट एनी डिफिकल्टी और कंफ्यूजन. Why can't I have an uncomplicated life? Next is difficult. Difficult is like challenging and tough. Difficult in an interesting way that tests your ability. And difficult का ही synonym होगा tough. Having a causing problems or difficulties. तो challenging का example होगा challenging work, questions, problems. Tough. It was a tough decision to make. Next is many. Many like numerous, existing in large numbers. अब इसका एग्जाम्पल है the advantages of this system are too numerous to mention. Numerous studies have shown this to be true. So many का एग्जाम्पल, many का जो synonym है वो है numerous, right? Bad. Bad this is like harmful, detrimental, inappropriate. Harmful. Example is the harmful effects of alcohol are well established. Bad. Detrimental, the policy will be detrimental to the peace process. Third is inappropriate, the existing practice is totally inappropriate to needs of modern society. तो synonym जो bad के हैं वो है harmful, detrimental and inappropriate. नेक्स्ट हम देखते हैं जो सिनोनिम है हमारा और जो हमारा वर्ड है हमारा वो है बिग. बिग लाइक सब्सटेंशियल एंड साइजेबल. large in amount, value or importance, sizable, fairly large. There are substantial differences between the two groups. Sizable, income from tourist accounts for a sizable proportion of the area's total income. Fast, we use fast. Fast in the sense rapid and suitable. Rapid in the sense happening in a short period of time, and fast, I'm sorry for that, the synonym of the fast is only rapid. Rapid like happening in a short period of time, rapid change, expansion, growth, a rapid rise, decline in sales. Good. Suitable, acceptable, satisfactory. Suitable, right or appropriate for a particular purpose or occasion. Acceptable, that somebody agrees is of a good enough standard or allowed. Satisfactory, good enough for a particular purpose. Suitable का example है, this program is not suitable for children. Acceptable, we want a political solution that is acceptable to all parties. Satisfactory, a satisfactory explanation, answer, solution and conclusion. Next is important. Important is also very important for the writing as well as for the speaking. Necessary, vital, crucial. Necessary, that is needed for a purpose or a reason. Necessary का example है, changes can easily be made where necessary. Vital, necessary or essential in order for something to succeed or exist. The police play a vital role in our society. Important, crucial, extremely important because it will affect other things. A crucial factor, issue, decision, topics of crucial importance. It is crucial that we get this right. Now, yes. So important, essential also. Completely necessary, extremely important in a particular solution for a particular activity. Money is not essential for happiness or to happiness. Next is wrong, incorrect, inaccurate. Incorrect, not accurate or true. Inaccurate, not exact or accurate with mistakes. Incorrect, incorrect information spelling. Inaccurate, these figures are somewhat inaccurate. Same. Equivalent, equal in value, amount, meaning, importance, etc. The new regulation was seen as equivalent to the censorship. Long, extensive, lengthy. Extensive, including or dealing with a wide range of information. Lengthy, very long and often too long in time or size. Extensive research has been done into this disease. Lengthy delays, the lengthy process of obtaining a visa. Next, subsequent, happening or coming after something else. Subsequent events confirmed our doubts. Great, remarkable, noteworthy. Remarkable, unusual or surprising in a way that caused people to take notice. What is even more remarkable about the whole story is great, noteworthy, deserving to be noticed or to receive attention because it is unusual, importance or interesting. It is noteworthy that only 15% of senior managers are women. The bridge is noteworthy for its sheer size. Risky, dangerous, hazardous, involving risk or danger especially to somebody's health or safety. Environmentally hazardous substances. Uncertain, perilous. Uncertain, likely to change especially in a negative or unpleasant way. An uncertain future. Perilous also. Perilous means very dangerous. A perilous adventure, journey or situation. Famous, renowned. Famous and respected. A renowned author. It is renowned as one of the region's best restaurants. Famous. Sorry, I should have told you the renowned of the synonym of the famous. So famous, renowned, distinguished, well known. Renowned, distinguished, very successful and admired by other people, well known, know about by a lot of people. Distinguished career in medicine, well known. It is a well known fact that caffeine is a stimulant. Now the last word we have is serious, pressing, alarming, urgent, needing to be dealt with immediately, alarming, causing worry and fear, urgent, that needs to be dealt with or happen immediately. So pressing, there is a pressing need for more specialist nurses. Alarming, the rainforest is disappearing at an alarming rate. The last one is a problem that requires urgent attention. The law is in urgent need of reform. So these all are the words which I think are very helpful to you. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.